So the way to make sure that you're for sure is go ahead and take the board out. And all I'm going to do is lay this board down. And then I'm just going to get my power cable again. And I'm going to plug it into the power supply here. And then I can test here. So we do have 12 volts, okay? So that means that the 12 volt power rail is actually shorted because we have 12 volts here. Yep, we have 12 volts there and here. Okay, so let's pop this back in. Okay, let's plug that up and let's see what happens when we press. You know what? Let's connect back up most of the stuff.